Almost every investor I talk to asks the same question at some point. Should I buy now or should I wait? Today, I want to walk you through how I help clients think about that decision so they can move forward with clarity instead of hesitation. This isn't about predicting the market or trying to time things perfectly. It's about understanding what actually matters for long-term investors and how to decide what makes sense for you. If you've been feeling unsure, you're not alone. Interest rates are higher than they were a few years ago. Prices haven't dropped dramatically. Cash flow can feel tighter, and with so much information online, it's easy to feel like waiting is the safer option. The problem is that waiting without a plan can quietly turn into doing nothing. When investors say they're waiting, what I always want to understand is what they're waiting for. Are you waiting for rates to drop, for prices to come down, for the perfect deal? Or are you waiting because you don't feel fully prepared yet? Those are very different situations. While you're waiting, a few things are still happening. Rents are moving, loan balances aren't getting paid down, and over time, appreciation, even modest appreciation, continues. One of the biggest costs of waiting is missed learning and missed momentum. For long-term investors, buying now isn't about maximizing cash flow in year one. It's about positioning. You're locking in a property, you're starting the loan amortization clock, and you're giving time the chance to work in your favor. That's how wealth is built steadily over time. Waiting isn't always wrong. If buying today would leave you stressed, stretched too thin, or uncomfortable with your reserves, waiting can absolutely be the smart move. The goal isn't to rush, it's to buy from a place of confidence. When I'm working with clients, I rarely frame this as buy now or wait. I ask, what would need to change for you to feel ready? Is it saving a bit more? Understanding the numbers better? Clarifying your long-term goals? Once we answer that, the decision usually becomes much clearer. If you're not buying today, preparation still matters. That might look like understanding your comfortable monthly payment, knowing how much cash you want in reserves, learning how to analyze deals, and getting familiar with neighborhoods and rent ranges. That way, when the right opportunity shows up, you're ready to move instead of starting from scratch. If you're in that phase where you're waiting but trying to prepare, comment ready, and I'll send you the same first investment readiness framework I use with clients to help them decide their next step. Here in the Chattanooga area, many long-term investors are buying with a focus on stability and future growth rather than perfect short-term numbers. That mindset tends to hold up better over time than trying to time the market. There is no universal right answer to buy now or wait. The right answer depends on your goals, your financial comfort level, and how long you plan to hold the property. My role is to help investors figure out which side of that decision they're actually on, instead of letting uncertainty decide for them. There is no universal right answer to buy now or wait. The right answer depends on your goals, your financial comfort level, and how long you plan to hold the property. My role is to help investors figure out which side of that decision they're actually on, instead of letting uncertainty decide for them. If you're considering investing here in the Chattanooga area and want a clear breakdown before making the decision, I'd love to talk it through with you. You don't need to have a property picked out yet. Preparation comes first. Good investing isn't about timing the market. It's about understanding your timing.